Hey, this is Bill Connelly, and I want to thank you for making it to this video. Now, I've been a credit repair specialist for over 4.5 years now. The first reason I got started was to fix my own credit, work on my own situation, and I fell in love with the company. I fell in love with the products, and they work so well that I wanted to share this opportunity with other people to get on board, to start using the services, to get their power back, have their buying power back, feel good about themselves, different things like that. So this is my Facebook right here, just letting you know that I'm a real person. You can go to facebook.com/cash flow dude, and that would be my Facebook right there. So with that said, I just want to go over a couple things with you real quick. I am actually an agent with this company, FES, Financial Education Services. And by being an agent, they allow me to share the products with people looking to fix their credit. We have an all in one inclusive package that includes credit repair. But just to let you know, this is me right here, Bill Connelly, Vice President, with my email, my phone number, 609-442-3321. If anyone wants to get involved in the business side of this, you get all the services that a customer gets with the income opportunity. So let's go over this real quick. This is the actual website that we get to share with potential customers, and it's called UCES Protection Plan Membership, right? Now, everything is included. This is to get your credit worked on. This is to protect your identity, to build your credit, to get out of debt. We have a will, trust, power of attorney that's included. Well, let's just go over that real quick. So what is included? And we can go over that together. So basically, when someone signs up for this package, they're getting all these products, a budgeting plan, a system for you to budget your monthly income. But basically, here's what everybody comes for: credit restoration or credit repair. And what we do is when someone signs up for these services, you're going to get an email, you're going to get a text. You should get something back from the person that signed up from you, welcoming you, but you will have instructions from the company telling you exactly what to do. And basically, how that works is when you sign up and you log in, you're going to get a back office portal. You're going to get a back office with all our products to sign up for. You're going to log in with your email and the last four of your social security. This is all going to be in an email that you get. Once you do that, you're just going to follow the steps. It's going to ask you, we have permission to pull your credit, blah, 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 blah. And you just follow the steps. Okay. And basically how it works is once you allow our company to pull your credit one time and one time only, we're going to do an analysis on all three credit bureaus. We're going to get every single negative item that you have, collections, anything that you owe, late payments, bankruptcies, foreclosures, student loans, anything that's negative on your credit report, we are going to dispute with all three credit bureaus all at once, all at once. So some places, they just slow you. They just do one or two at a time. So they want to get you paying long term. With us, we do every single negative item from jump. Okay. So basically, once you allow our company to pull your credit the one time, we're going to make you dispute letters, and we're going to actually mail them to your house. And why do we do that? Because we want the letters coming from your address, from your envelope to the credit bureaus. And what I would also recommend is doing certified, because the credit bureaus have 30 to 45 days to validate your debt 100% accurate in that time frame. And that's due to the Fair Credit Reporting Act of 1971, which gives Americans the right to dispute these items. If the credit bureaus cannot fully and 100% validate your debt in that time frame, by law, it has to come off your credit report. And that's what we're leveraging. That's what every single lawyer or every other company leverages, the ability to dispute the negative items on your credit report. Now, you will get the information back from all three credit bureaus. If there's anything still negative on your credit report, you would highlight those, make a copy of it for yourself, and send the highlighted version back to our company. And why do you do that? Because we're going to update your files, get rid of all the stuff that's been removed, and reword the things we need to reword to dispute those items that are still on there again. Okay, so that's the process. Then you will get dispute letters back to you with the new verbiage, with everything off that needs to be off, with everything on that still needs to be remained. and you just keep doing the process. This could take a few times because if they come back and they validate things 100% in that time frame, by law it stays on. So we're just trying to catch them where they can't do that. So that's the process everybody uses. So if they're going to try to tell you something different, that's not how it works. So credit restoration is the main reason people get started with our services, but we have that budgeting plan above. We have a credit builder to teach you how to put good stuff on your credit, because while we're taking the negative stuff off, disputing the negative items, you're going to want to start putting positive things on your credit report. And we can definitely help you with that. You get a credit attorney included, no extra cost. You can talk to this credit attorney if you have anybody harassing you, collections, anything like that, or something's hard to get off. You can talk to the credit attorneys for free. We also have credit monitoring, which is included. Now, in the beginning part, when you have bad credit, nobody's really coming after you. But once we get your score back up, this can be critical for you, right? So this is going to be credit monitoring to monitor your credit. You'll get alerts, you'll get information, you'll see your score changes, stuff like that. And this is very critical because a lot of people have no idea how their score and stuff is even made up. So you get credit monitoring included as well. We have a debt payoff system. You're going to plug in all your debt, your interest rates, your different things. And this is going to show you a way to get down to zero as quickly as possible. This is very, very powerful. This is what people pay a lot of financial planners to do for them. So this is included as well. Identity monitoring, cyber theft is huge right now, right? Huge. So with identity monitoring, you're going to have your own monitoring going on from Info Armor, a company that we use. Okay. Now, when you're signing up for this one particular product, they're going to ask you for a payment of a credit card. And then what they're going to do is they're actually just going to put $1 hold on there to validate who you are. And then they're going to release that. So if you see that, don't get alarmed. It's just to prove who you are. So this is very powerful as well. Life insurance. Now, this is for agents, okay? So if you are an agent with our company, you get all these products included and the ability to share it with people and make an incredible income depending on what you do with it. But life insurance up to $100,000, term life insurance, no medical exam. Very, very powerful. A lot of people come on board just because of this as well. We have a financial lockbox, which is like a safe deposit box in the bank where you can put all of your important documents digitally in this area. It's password protected. You can give that password or something to somebody else who you trust in case something happens to you. They can get in there, they can see the information. But this is like a safe deposit box in a bank where you're going to put all your important documentation. Net worth program, teach you all about your net worth, assets, liabilities, things like that. Very powerful. These products are life-changing. So most people come on board for the credit restoration, but once they see all these amazing products that are included, they're blown away. Savings and goal plan for you, all right, to create how you can save, put goals towards that to hit your goals, and just use this product as well to put some money aside towards things. So you see the little piggy bank right there. That's pretty cool. We get a will, trust, power of attorney. Okay, this is included. This could cost anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000 with an attorney, but this is included. And basically, you go in, you fill out the information, you make sure it's all up to date and all correct. Then you save it. Our company is going to give you a binder and print it out for you and put it in that binder. You can update it if you need to. Over on the right, we have something called the YFL Family Mint, and this is where we go into schools and we educate kids on the matter of their finances. Imagine if we were educated back in the day, right? It might have changed our lives. We might be so much off better, but that's what our company does. We give back, and we want to go into schools. We want to educate kids on the matters of their finances. We also give $2 out of every monthly protection plan membership to the YFL. We also give scholarships to seniors in high school, freshmen in college. They complete an essay. And last year we gave, I think, $400,000, and we're well over $500,000 this year. So this is very powerful. This is something to be proud about. So basically, this is all of the products included. It's an all-in-one, right? But people come basically for the credit repair. And basically, if you want to enroll, you click on enroll now, and you just fill out the information. It is a $188 to get started, okay? $188 to get started, and that would include a $99 application fee for the month. So you would just fill all this out and then go into the billing and stuff like that. You can see right here, 188, 99 application, 89 monthly fee. All right. So I'm not sure how long this will take you. Everybody's credit file is different, but if you take no action, nothing's going to ever change, right? I was so happy 4.5 years ago that I found this opportunity and it worked. 4 out of 5 judgments got deleted on my credit report. And as an agent, I was very, very excited to share this with other people. So if you want to start working on your credit, if you're looking to get a house, looking to get a car, refinance, whatever it is, your buying power back, get that anxiety off your back, I would definitely get started with our company. Read your emails, read your texts, get back with the person who signed you up and get a plan of action. But you have to stay committed. You have to be part of your own rescue. And you have to understand that it's all about getting the negative items off, adding positive things to your credit report, and staying consistent. Okay. So if you want to get started, just go to the website, sign up, take action, get a hold of the person that enrolled you. Also, you can call into customer service. We have a real customer service department in Michigan where they handle customer calls and agent calls. So we have a real customer service in Michigan. That's where our lawyers are. That's where the main company is. We also have something before I go that's called 5 for free. So you as a customer will get an affiliate link. Okay. So you will get an affiliate link. And if you share it with other people and you have 5 people that sign up to this under you, your $89 is waived. There'll be no more charge for you. So as long as you have 5 people that you share this with and say, hey, look, I'm working on my credit. Do you know anybody else? I found this awesome company and they gave me a link that I can get credit for if I share it, right? And then if you have 5 people or more, there's no $89 fee. Your services are for free. Also, if you can do that, you might want to consider being an agent and sharing this with the ability to create an income for yourself. So once again, my name has been Bill Connelly. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, get back to me. I'm sure there's some information about how to get a hold of me, but you can see right on the screen. Text me at 609-442-3321. God bless, and I hope your journey is successful.